Alhamdulillah, I'm live here in an area where there's absolutely flooded area. People are all underwater. So we have come with a chopper here to give them food starts, to do airdrop. Jazakallah khair to all the donors who have supported us to do this wonderful project, and we'll be doing more and more projects here in Bangladesh. Believe me, there are a lot of bad smell here. The area is not clean. The water is not clean. They were underwater since many days now. So we need your support to rehabilitate them, to sustain them again after this big trauma in their life. So please do support AICTglobal.org so that we can bring life, smiles to these people's life here in Bangladesh after the flood that has affected more than 5 million people. Jazakallah.